Hi everyone, Sharona here. Welcome to the tutorial for the Temasek Polytechnic Northeast Community Development Council Virtual Challenge 2021. In this event, you would need to download two free applications, Strava and Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Step 1. Recording your activity. After downloading the Strava application, ensure your full name as per NRIC is your profile name. Next, change the units from the imperial system to the metric system. To do this, tap onto the settings at the top right-hand corner. Scroll down to display. Select it and change the units of measure to metric. When you are ready to begin your activity, press the record button. Start recording to track your progress. Once completed, title and save your activity. When Strava has finished processing the activity, select it to go to this page with all of the activity's details. Take a screenshot. Next, filling up the submission PDF. Download the PDF by proceeding to the submission form. Use Adobe Acrobat Reader DC to open the submission PDF. Enter your details in full and add in all your screenshots. Save the PDF and submit it. If you have any enquiries, please email us at virtualchallengeenquiries2021@gmail.com. Thank you for taking part in this event. We hope you stay safe and have an enjoyable time. Remember to click, share and sign up.